This exercise is titled Points, Lines, and Planes. There are a few different types of questions that might be asked in this exercise. In this problem, you can see that we're asked if points W, B, and E are collinear. So let's just define collinear means on the same line. Now, 2 points are always on the same line. Why are 2 points always on the same line? Because it really doesn't matter where these 2 points are, I can always draw a line to connect them. So if we're asked if 2 points are collinear, the answer is always yes. If we have 3 or more points, we have to test that. So sometimes 3 points are in fact collinear. Sometimes we can draw a line, a straight line, that goes between all 3 points, and they would be collinear. Sometimes we cannot do that. So I can draw a line to connect these 2 points, I can draw a line to connect these 2, I can draw a line to connect these 2, but I cannot draw a single line that connects all 3. So these would not be collinear, and these would be collinear. Now if we take a look at this problem, it asks me for W, B, E. We can see that we cannot draw a single straight line that goes through those 3 points, so they would not be collinear. This exercise might also ask us to name a line. So let's just quickly review naming a line. If we take this line right here, we name a line with 2 points on the line. So this line could be named line UB, could be named line BU, could be named UW, line WU, line BW, line WB. Since we have this cursive letter out here, it can also be named line L with the cursive L. Now this same exercise might also ask us if certain points are coplanar. So what does coplanar mean? Coplanar means on the same plane. Think of a plane like a piece of paper that goes on forever. If we have 3 points or less, so 2 points or 3 points, they're always coplanar. Three points or less. Because we can always connect 3 points or less, 3 or 2 points, with a piece of paper. They can always be on the same piece of paper, the same plane. If we have 4 or more points, we have to test it to see if they can be on the same plane at the same time. So if we take a look here, we've got G, C, A, and Y. So G, C, A, and Y. We can see that these are in fact on the same plane. So yes, they are coplanar. Now the same exercise might also ask us to name a plane. How do we name a plane? Well, because we have this cursive letter in the corner, we can in fact name this plane plane R with the cursive capital R. But typically the way that we name a plane is with 3 non-collinear points. That are on the plane. So they're coplanar, but they're not collinear. Why are they not collinear? Because if they were collinear, there would be more planes that they could be on at the same time. So we just have to pick 3 points that are on the plane that are not on the same line. So if we want to name this plane, plane R, we want to give it a different name. we would pick 3 points on it that are not themselves collinear. So we could pick Y, G, and C. So we could call this plane Y, G, C. Any order of those 3 letters would be fine. We could have points A, G, and Y. We could also have points A, Y, and C. But again, they have to be non-collinear.